Hi guys, this is Road to the Moon channel. Please, enjoy my review. The prevalence of cryptocurrency makes us consider ways and progress that will guarantee their openness to ordinary people. While the cryptocurrency markets are in turmoil, the industry continues to build and move forward with exciting new developments. Organizing USDQ to create a truly decentralized stable asset. The ecosystem of USDQ stablecoin. Our goal: the ecosystem of the stablecoin is constructed on several key elements. And we believe that USDQ can strengthen it with a right and reliable framework. Overview. Opportunity to purchase USDQ on exchanges. The first element of the ecosystem is the exchanges. USDQ bargains on the secondary market at the price of $1 for 1 USDQ. Respectively, traders interact with this coin, as well as with any other. To buy USDQ at the exchange is the first way by means of which it is possible to get stable coin. USDQ price stabilization process. How is the ecosystem decentralization reached? By means of one more its element. These are Q boxes who will provide the decisions based on mathematical algorithms on the need for crypto asset sale in case its price drops lower than the designated mark. At decision-making interaction of Q boxes adjust human factor of influence on the ecosystem. The price in the contract is always supported at the level of $1, while USDQ token cost in the secondary market can deviate $1 in the greater or lower side. The smart contract guarantees cost 1 USDQ equals to $1. Therefore, if USDQ token price in the secondary market grows, traders have a chance to buy USDQ using the smart contract at one price and to sell them in the secondary market at the raised price. It leads to an increase in the number of USDQ in the market and, respectively, to dilution the price that returns it to a mark of $1. In case USDQ price in the secondary market falls, everything occurs on the contrary. There is an opportunity to buy USDQ at the exchange cheaper and to sell to the smart contract more expensively that leads to burning of USDQ in the market and, respectively, to a price raising to a mark of $1. How the system works. Trade on exchanges. Get a collateralized debt position. Discover the Q box. The philosophy of USDQ is to create a truly decentralized stable asset. Decentralized. All decisions are made by the DAO community. Collateralized by crypto. No more mythical deposits on private bank accounts. Self-stabilizing. Always stable. The environment doesn't matter. USDQ designed for everyone. Trade it as a regular stable coin on the secondary market. Collateralize your crypto and get a simple stable trading asset. After the trading, just give it back and return your crypto. Join the QDAO community of miners and decision makers. QDAO token and voting process. By means of governance tokens QDAO, it is possible to vote and make decisions influencing all ecosystem. Each user's neural networks will be developing on their own pace and therefore the predictions they make will be different too. And if at some point most of Q boxes, irrespective of the level of their proficiency, foretold that, for example, the rate of cryptocurrency which is in pledge will fall and it is necessary to take actions to stabilize stablecoin by increase in a rate of pledge, then this solution prediction will be brought up for voting where each holder of governance tokens QDAO will be able to vote against. If the owner of governance tokens QDAO does not take part in the vote, his voice automatically becomes pro this decision. Thus, if most of the users voted against, nothing occurs, and if for, the system changes. How the token sale works. Tokens to sell. Distribution of 51% of tokens, 509,999.49 DAO tokens. For how long? Distribution will be made in 10 rounds. Round starts at first day every month. During 10 months will be distributed 50,000 tokens during each round. Where to buy? We distribute 30% tokens by IEO. All tokens are unlocked, and 70% tokens by OTC desk. Tokens will be locked for a certain period of time. Powered by Platinum. About Platinum. Platinum is Platinum.Fund is an international STO/IEO/ECO/post-eco consulting, promotion and fundraising company with offices in Tokyo, London, Bangkok, Seoul, Singapore, Yangon, Colombo, Phnom Penh, Moscow, Minsk, and Kiev. Over 200 specialists with 3 years experience in crypto and 7 years in financial markets. We have an extensive range of services and expertise in marketing and PR, management, consulting, programming, cybersecurity, education, legal advisory and many more. We can help to make your project a success story. Full cycle agency, Platinum is your one-stop solution for security token offerings, post-eco/STO marketing and trading as well as initial exchange offerings, IEO. We are the largest listing service providers for the ECO, STO and IEO projects. Fundraising and roadshows investors. We promote selected projects directly to our extensive global network of private and institutional investors, arrange private meetups, roadshows and investor pitching sessions around the globe.